Well, if you've ever wanted to see my house, there it is. And we're here at Universal Studios Florida tonight. And it's going to be a fun night. Everyone is pouring out of this place, but we are headed straight ahead for a special event for Orlando Informer, the adult-only meetup at Islands of Adventure. I'm very excited, and thank you, Orlando Informer, for having us out tonight. Now, let's take a closer look. All right, this is where we check in here. Orlando Informer Meetup, winter 2023. What about Bush? Oh, the band.
Oh, the band.
I thought you were talking about like President Bush.
No, this
I
is
was
the band.
like,
they're playing the band Bush in the speakers, and we're trying to remember.
that's who it is, Bush, the band Bush. To the right of the Hard Rock, straight ahead Nickelodeon Studios. I've been here so much lately. Last week with Grinchmas, got to go in, and then we're checking in over here. And I gotta tell you, this never gets old. I believe the piece of the Berlin Wall is still over here. That was one of like the very first videos I ever did here at Universal. Your childhood is straight ahead.
I know, I miss it so much.
Yep.
It was cool. I'm glad we got to at least experience it as a kid. I don't remember a lot.
Oh yeah.
I was there.
Yep. Oh yeah, there's the Berlin Wall, and there is Nickelodeon. Inside the soundstage here, this is kind of cool. So pause the video and you guys can see all the food that's available for the evening right there. Took the words right out of my mouth right there. Stupendous. That's exactly what it was checking in. That was the easiest check-in I've ever seen. And now we're in the park. Made it to Hogsmeade. But this place is always decked out for the holidays, but it's just extra special when it feels cool out. Hogwarts Express, hello. Welcome to Hogsmeade, everybody. Look at this. It just looks so much fun during the holidays. So the event has officially started at 7 o'clock. Food doesn't start till 8 o'clock. Catering starts at 8:30. So Hagrid's is an hour wait right now, so they say. It's 7 o'clock. We wait for Hagrid's, we do Hagrid's, we go and eat, and it works out. Call me crazy, but I'm killing an hour when they're trying to empty out the park. I think this might be a win, because Orlando Informer is a place to be if you do not want to wait in lines, because you're not gonna wait in lines. It's amazing. I'm so excited. And look at that. Wow, I can't wait to see Hogwarts Castle, but man, this place is magical at night, no pun intended. Oh yeah, I've never done this at night. This is gonna be crazy. Oh my gosh, this view right up here is incredible. Wait for it, there it is. Holy cow. Look at that. It is pretty cool coming through here at night. I honestly don't think I've ever done this ride at night. It's a completely different vibe out here though. All right, we did it. It was fun. Definitely worth the wait for nighttime. Also, I can have the butterbeer, and that's the view. Is that your first turkey leg?
This is my first turkey leg.
Thank you, Orlando Informer, for her first turkey leg.
Wow.
That meat is dangling. It's also like piping hot. Look at that. And the churros, and the butterbeer, and Jurassic Park music.
What can get any better? It can't.
I want some of that. Let's take a bite. It's so good, and it's cold outside, so you're not sweating and trying to eat a turkey leg. Oh yeah, and all the games are free play, so you can play whatever you want for free. Ah!
You got a visit during the day though.
Yeah. Cool, thanks. Oh, there it goes, Velocicoaster. Straight up. Amazing. Also, I just want to show everyone all of the elbow room heading down towards River Adventure right now. Like, are you kidding me? Look at this. Gotta head into Thunder Falls Terrace and get some food. Oh, and they even dressed up for the holidays. Spared no expense here. at Thunder Falls. Look at this dude.
Welcome everyone.
Hello.
Hey there.
I love this guy.
Yeah, my beautiful assistant Steffi.
Oh man. All right, we gotta eat. Where's the food? Where's the food? There's the food. Look at all the food and cakes, pasta. This is awesome. Look at that chicken, potatoes and corn. Got a little dessert. Oh yeah. Another water ride this evening, and this is not open for the event. This would be extremely cold. Let me tell you. I did this one January with my brother, and it was like 50 degrees, and we left after riding this ride because we were so wet and cold. We were miserable. More elbow room too as we enter into Toon Lagoon. Wasamata U straight ahead. And further down Toon Lagoon, they have catering. There's already a line set up at 8:30. The catering is kicking off, so everyone is gonna eat more food here. Into Marvel Superhero Island we go. We're gonna get some catered food down here. They have like a truffle fry thing we wanna try. You kinda just nibble. We didn't even finish half the food at Jurassic. You kinda just nibble on stuff. All right, we're gonna ride Spider-Man because it's just a walk-on. Ride now. Look at this. Completely empty Daily Bugle. J. Jonah Jameson up there. Awesome. We used to ride this ride all the time. You remember when we first moved here?
Yeah.
We would come here all the time.
All the time. We always ride
And we rode Spider-Man.
It's such a good ride.
It is.
It never gets old. And the queue is so cool.
And the queue is empty right now. We're the only ones in the Daily Bugle. Awesome. Dude, this is crazy. One of my favorite rooms right up here. Plus, you can actually take in some of the details if you wanted to here. You know? No one's really like on you. Look at that, J. Jonah Jameson there. A lot of nods, a lot of Easter eggs. And then look, there's the scoop vehicle. We're gonna walk right by it here. In the old cartoon, my gosh, that thing looks nostalgic. I love that it's still that cartoon. And also, here's the scoop vehicle we're about to get into. I think that's so cool they show off the ride vehicle. So it's mushroom truffle mac and cheese. I thought it was French fries, I don't know why. But this is delicious. We're having a great time so far here at the Orlando Informer. Made almost a complete loop. Just gotta walk back over to Seuss where we started. We've eaten and we've ridden some rides and we've had a good time. There's also catering inside Confisco's here. And there's so many Easter eggs in here. Lorax, fish, the cat in the hat right up there. There's a Grinch and a Jurassic Park hat. Iron Man mask right there. This is customs, by the way. Dude, look at this. Basically empty Seuss Landing. Are you kidding me right now? That's awesome. I'm glad I did Grinchmas this year. It was a lot of fun. Now straight ahead, they do have the Who Hash available for the event. So let's do it. And these are all the different tots you can get. Oh look, Churro's out meeting. There's Churro the bird. Churro, good to see you again. Thanks for a great evening. Well, the adventure lives on indeed. Orlando Informer Islands of Adventure at Universal Orlando Resort. This was a fun evening, and I am finishing off a Coke Zero as I leave this wonderful place. Had a wonderful evening here. Thank you to Orlando Informer. This was a fun, adult-only meetup. No kids tonight. Everyone had to be over the age of 18. So this was unique, and bravo. You guys know how to throw the best parties. So next Informer, get your tickets and come and eat and ride and be merry. By the way, Merry Christmas, everyone, and I will see you on the next adventure. Until then, stay weird. Goodbye.